It's officially winter, and you know what that means? It means it's time for soup. Now, I really liked Heinz cream of tomato soup back in the day. The problem is it contains dairy. So today I have decided to make my own cream of tomato Heinz-inspired soup. So I've got 6 small tomatoes. Now I'm making a batch enough for 2 servings, but you can easily double the recipe so that it suits 4 people. So I'm going to chop up those tomatoes and I'm going to begin. Right, so I've got a nice non-stick baking tray, and I've preheated my oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and now I'm gonna add all of my ingredients that need roasting onto my tray. Right, so I've got 1 chopped fennel. It is not really required. It's not really part of the recipe that Heinz originally do, but I like to put fennel in my tomato soups, so I decided to put some fennel and put a twist on the classic recipe. But as I said, this is optional. Now sprinkle some salt, some black pepper, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of mixed dried Italian herbs, and again about 1 tablespoon of onion granules or onion powder. Generously drizzle some quality olive oil. Okay, so now you're gonna need to roast this for about 25 minutes until golden soft. There we have it, perfectly roasted with slight char at the top, and now it's time to blend. Okay, so as you can see, I've added my roasted tomatoes and fennel onto a blender, and now I'm gonna add 275 milliliters of full-fat coconut cream and coconut milk. So it really depends on, you may need more or less depending on how juicy your tomatoes are. Now, it really depends on the season. If you roast them and quite a lot of juice comes out, then you would require less cream or coconut milk. So it really depends. Play it by the ear and check consistencies and add more or less depending. You have it, creamy tomato soup, perfect for a cold day. Right, so you have 2 options here. Serve it straight away or pop it onto a deep saucepan and warm it up, because obviously the coconut milk was cold, so this is not going to be as hot as you might have liked it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pop it on a saucepan and heat it up.